Did you know that shipping cost is the #1 reason for cart abandonment? It's true. Nearly 50% of shoppers leave because extra costs surprise them at checkout. But what if I told you that you can turn this problem into your biggest sales driver? The free shipping mistake. Here is the mistake most store owners make. They offer free shipping on everything because they are desperate for sales. This kills your profit margin. Instead, you need to use free shipping as a reward, not a gift. It's simple psychology. Imagine your customer has a $30 t-shirt in their cart. Shipping costs $5. They feel like they are losing that $5. But, if you tell them, spend $50 to get free shipping, suddenly that $5 shipping fee becomes an enemy. They would rather buy a second t-shirt for $20 and get something real, than pay $5 for nothing. That is how you turn a $30 order into a $50 order. You just boosted your AOV by 60%. So how do we set this up in WooCommerce? First, you need our shipping method plugin. We offer several tools, generally split into two categories, live rates and table rates. I've actually made a separate video explaining the differences. You can click the card in the top right corner to watch that. For this tutorial, I'll be using the flexible shipping plugin, which you can grab from the first link in the description below. And hey, if you have specific questions about which shipping plugin fits your business, we invite you to a one-on-one consultation with our sales specialists. Link is also in the description. After installation, go to your WooCommerce settings, then Shipping. Add a new flexible shipping method to your zone and click to edit it. Now, inside this method, there are actually two ways to trigger free shipping. Option 1 is using this dedicated free shipping section right here. You would use this for a simple global threshold, like free shipping on all orders over $100. This section also unlocks the left to free shipping feature, a powerful feature I will show you in the next section of this video. Option 2 is scrolling down to the rules table. You would use this for more specific logic. For example, if you want to offer free shipping only for lightweight items, but still charge for heavy ones. For our strategy today, I'm going to use option 2, the rules table, to perfectly recreate that t-shirt scenario we discussed a moment ago. Now WooCommerce will automatically check the cart value. If they are under $50, they pay. If they cross the line, they get the reward. The Sales Booster feature. Setting the rule is not enough. You have to tell the customer how close they are. So let's go back to our flexible shipping method. Look for the free shipping section. Set the free shipping threshold to, for example, 50. Right here, you will see the options to display the left to free shipping notice and the progress bar. Make sure to enable them. You can modify this message if you like, but I will leave it as default. Now it's time to test. From now on, your customers will see exactly how much they are missing to unlock free delivery. This message can be styled to match the look of your website. You can customize it yourself, for example, using simple CSS. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help choosing the right plugin, drop a comment or use our site contact form.